Hello, mice.
Hello. Hello, Snow. We would like to tell you a fairy tale. Once upon a time, there were two mice getting by quite nicely in a medium-sized house in Bloomsbury, the literary part of Victorian London. They spent most of their time in the basement, which was where the kitchen and the pantry were. And although the kitchen maid scrubbed everything very clean, the cook dropped enough nuts and raisins about the place for them to live rather luxuriously. They would sleep during the day, curled up behind the fireplace, which had all the modern conveniences, including a built-in oven and a place to heat the irons. At night, when the servants had finished their work, hanging all the washing out to dry, scrubbing all the pots and pans, the mice came out to play. They were a bit careful not to chew through anything important, in case anyone noticed they were there. They had observed with horror what happened in the house next door when they brought a cat into the place. One winter, it was most terribly cold in the basement at night. So they decided to venture upstairs. Squeezing under the living room door, they found themselves in a magical fairyland and were astonished at the beauty of what they saw. In the middle of the room was an enormous tree, as high as 1,000 little mice. But what really astonished them were the hundreds of little pink mice who were sleeping in its branches. The two London mice had never really stopped to think what colour they were, but once they realised they were a nondescript shade of grey, they began to be a little disappointed. "Pink mice!" called the first mouse in a shouty whisper, but not a single one of them moved so much as a whisker. The second mouse joined in. "Pink mice! Pink mice! Pink mice!" But absolutely nothing. Souris rose? Nothing. Not even a polite hello. "I wish I could be pink," said the first mouse. "I wish they'd tell us how they got to be that pretty colour." "I would like to live in a tree where everyone could see me," said the second mouse, and they both set about jumping up and down again to see if they could get some answers to their questions. "Pink mice! Pink mice! Pink mice! Pink mice!" They got so tired they decided to give up and go to sleep. But they were so impressed by the beauty of the tree and its decorations, not to mention its immense pink mouse population, that they curled up in a corner of the sitting room instead of going back to the basement. The next morning, the mice were woken up by three boisterous children running into the room, followed by their nanny and their mother and father. Watching carefully from their viewpoint under the piano, the mice waited to see what would happen. The children raced over the tree and shouted, "Please, please, Mummy, Daddy, may we have a sugar mouse?" "Of course you can, my darlings," said their beautiful mother in a soft voice which was very different from anything they had heard in the kitchen. The children raced to the tree and each one of them grabbed a little sugar mouse from the fragrant branches. Our two little London mice were a bit envious at the way the children showed such affection to their distant pink relatives. Then, horror, they shivered with fright as these apparently lovely children bit the heads off them. Ooh! They shivered with fright and they crept backwards, pinning themselves to the wall underneath the piano, staying there until they were absolutely certain that everybody had gone to bed for the night. And then, carefully, and after a few false starts, they crept as quietly as mice had ever crept back downstairs to the basement behind the fireplace to their little hole where they could sleep safely. And they thanked their lucky paws that they were grey. Ladies and gentlemen of Lush, inspired by the traditional British sugar mouse, which is 100% sugar and edible, Noriko made a fairy tale, a pink sugar scrub mouse, which is not edible.
This is a sugar scrub made with fair trade sugar, strawberry powder and coconut milk powder with yummy fragrance.
And what's more, they have little chocolate button ears. Get wet first and then give yourself a little scrub.
Thank you, little mice.
You're welcome.